Okay, so Bonsen Kitchen sent me this vacuum sealer. Let's try it and see what we think. I love to buy food in bulk because you can get it so much cheaper, and this is a perfect way to do that. It comes with 2 rolls of bags. All your options for sealing are across the top. You've got extended seal down to your pulse vac. There's also an accessory button for when you're doing canned goods or canisters. Okay, so you open it here. You're going to have your bag section back here. Then you've got your cutter so that you don't have to use scissors. It just makes a nice clean cut for the size that you need. Your vacuum section here, and then your heat seal strip across the front. This is a very low noise unit. It's pretty powerful. You can do about 50 bags in 20 minutes. So let's pull a bag out. We're going to get it to about the size we want. You need to leave about a 2-inch strip across in front of that seal. So make sure you leave enough room for that. But it cuts real simple. You're going to put that 2-inch section across there for the vacuuming and the seal, and it's right under here. So let's push that down. We're going to push seal. It's going to count down on the top, and as soon as that hits 0, then that seal is nice and finished. But this is great for if you are buying to save money on buying bulk meat, or if you were to go fishing and have a lot of fish fillets that you wanted to just do 1 or 2 fillets at once. But see that nice seal there? Okay, let's turn it around. I'm going to put some chicken in here and you can see how it works. I'm going to do like 2 chicken breasts, so if I ever just want to thaw out a couple pieces, then I don't have to thaw out a whole pack of chicken, which is great. Okay, we're going to put these in here, and then that 2-inch section here at the top you need to have on both sides. We're going to put it here in the vacuum seal. Then we're going to close it up and get us a nice seal. Alright, we'll hit back and seal, and you can see it sucking all that air out. It keeps that food fresh, keeps it from getting freezer burned. Okay, so it's going to count down to 0, and then it'll be nice and sealed up. You can use this on snacks, you can use it on anything. The pulse vac is good for that, so that you just seal it up to where you want it. But look at that great seal on that. I mean, it's going to keep your food really fresh. And I like these bags like this because you can write what it is. Keep up with what you've got and how long you've had it. But I'm going to do a pork chop next, and we're just going to seal it. This just is great, so when you buy those big packages, you can just use what you want when you want it. Like I said, you can do 50 bags in about 20 minutes. It works that fast, and it's pretty powerful, but sucks all that air out, which is awesome. It's real easy to use, real easy to do it and not, interrupt the whole household because of the noise. But it does have a 3-year warranty, was fabulous for a kitchen product. But it's a really good unit.